how you doing? This is TV and School. Вивчаємо з тобою ми англійську. How are you? Що скажеш, коли ти зустрінеш якогось іноземця? So, let's speak English. Англійська мова Шекспіра та нью-йоркських таксистів. Англійська стане у нагоді вам, бойські дівчиська.
Ну, я вже не вперше. Дуже приємно. Якщо чесно, я вже тут напрошуюсь на ще уроки, тому що цікаво, дуже цікаво. Ти інакше мислиш уже в такому віці, будучи в школі.
Hello, dear students. My name is Olga Manma. I'm a teacher of English. Welcome to today's lesson. We have a very special guest, Marta Adamchuk.
Hello.
Hello. Marta is a singer and an artist.
Nice to meet you, Оля.
Yeah, nice to meet you too. How are you today, Marta?
I think well. I woke up very early in the morning, but I'm okay. Unusual.
Very good. Welcome to today's lesson. We will be talking about... Try to guess if you look at the picture.
About space? No?
Any other ideas?
Science?
Yes. Can I ask you to read the quote, please?
Science in the study of the universe.
Universe. So we have a picture of the universe. What do we have in the universe? What is the first thing you see when you look at this picture?
I think I see stars, but I guess it's not the star, yeah?
Yeah, the stars and the planets and all the space objects. So universe. Universe is where we live, everything that is around us. Are you the part of the universe?
Of course.
Good. The classroom is part of the universe.
Everything.
Yes, very good. We're going to be talking about various types of science.
Okay.
Trust me, it's going to be very interesting. I thought I'm not a big fan of science, but I have discovered, getting ready for this lesson, that science is everything around us, and science is what we do every day. Good. Let's start.
Let's start.
Excellent. The science has three major branches. Can I ask you to read them, please?
Of course. Social, formal, and natural.
Any ideas what that is about?
Social, it's about our social life.
Yes.
Formal, I don't know what is it. And natural, it's about nature, about earth, I think. Yes?
Great. Think.
Think.
Oh, I
Think.
love your think. Yes.
Okay.
Good. Very good. Social sciences. Here we have the object of the study is, as you've mentioned, is a society.
Society.
Суспільство.
Суспільство. Okay.
Society. Society. Very good. So it focuses primarily on the study of people, history and culture. Right.
Okay.
Are you a scientist?
I guess so.
So you work in the area of social science.
Yes.
Because you're from the culture world.
Yes.
Very good. Looking at the picture, you guess it's all about people, society. Good. But this is a general name, social sciences. Let's have a look what sciences are included. A long list. Yeah? Let's read it together. I will read first and then you repeat
Okay.
it. Good. Archaeology.
Archaeology.
Business administration.
Business administration.
Communication.
Communication.
Economics.
Economics.
Education.
Education.
Political science.
Political science.
Psychology.
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 It's a tricky word. We have P, but
Yes.
we never read
Yes.
it. Very good. History,
History.
law,
Law.
and government.
Government.
Another tricky word. We have extra N, but we say government.
Government.
Yeah, and this word,
Psychology.
excellent. Well done. Well done. If I go back here, would you remember any of the sciences from that list?
Yes. Archaeology. Government. Psychology. I don't remember.
Law,
Economy.
economics.
Economics.
Yes, business,
Law. Yes. Business administration.
political,
Political. I wanted to say political business.
science.
Science.
Very good, good. So these are all
Communication.
social sciences. Good. I see myself in education. So me and you are colleagues in this area of social
Yes.
sciences.
And we make history as well.
Yeah, we create history. Yes, very good. Good. Are we ready to move on?
I think yes.
Good. So the first one was what type of?
Social.
Social. Let's move on to guessing what that would be from the social sciences.
Archaeology, I think.
Archaeology or history, probably?
History? Yes.
Very well. What would that be?
Ooh. What is that?
Well, have a look. We're talking about different countries. We have the European Union flag. We have the crown.
Politics?
Yes. Good guess. Politics. Very good. What would that be?
Business administration.
Yes, business administration.
Money, so economics.
Economics. Yes, good guess. And that was,
Administration.
yeah,
Yes.
business administration. Very well. And that
Law.
would be law. Excellent. What would that be? Oh, this is about me.
Education.
Education. Well done. Well done. Excellent. Let's move on to new branch of sciences, formal sciences. When we had a look at the three first, you said this is the one that you were not sure about.
Yes.
Good. So formal sciences, the object of study is systems. Yeah, signals, systems. It is concerned with properties of formal systems based on definitions and rules. Let's have a look at the sciences that are included here. Those would be,
Mathematics.
good, the next one,
Linguistics.
linguistics, the next one,
Statistics.
statistics,
Logic.
logic,
Information theory.
information theory. So it's all about science.
It's not for me.
It's all about logic. It's all about logic. Yes, very good. Formal sciences. Let's look at the pictures and try to guess what those are.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh.
What would that
Whoa.
be?
No.
So about myself, I can say I'm an educator, but if I was studying the language, how it works, how it operates,
Linguistics.
yes, linguistics,
Oh, yes.
linguistics. Very good. What about this one?
Mathematics.
Yes. Are you good at maths?
No.
No. Good. So we can be good at something. So
good
what are you good at?
I'm good at singing, I guess. Maybe in writing, I mean some humanitarian,
Yeah,
but not in mathematics.
not in mathematics.
I was before some difficult mathematics when it started at 10 or 11 classes.
Yeah, good. Right, so mathematics. Good.
Systems, something.
Statistics.
Okay.
Yes, when we gather information, we analyze the information. Very good. And what about this one?
Logic.
Yes, logics.
Logics,
Very good.
yes.
Logic. Right. And now we're moving on to the third type. What was the first one?
Social.
The second?
Formal.
Yes. Now we're moving on to
Natural science.
natural science. What can you say on the picture?
It's mountains or it's sea? Mountains?
Yeah, this is the ocean wave or the sea wave. Yeah, it's a beautiful sea. So here in natural sciences, our object of study is natural world. Right, but I like how it is defined. It tries to understand the natural world. All the other sciences are discovering it, are sure about the knowledge, but here it tries to understand. I really like how it is said about the natural world.
Yes,
Very good.
Yes, I like it also.
Can you guess what sciences would be included here?
Everything about Earth, about its nature, about maybe even space. It's interesting, and I agree to that it only tries. We can understand it absolutely. Nature is too magic for me, for example.
Yeah, it's very complicated.
Complicated.
Yeah. That would be a nice word to the synonym to the word difficult. So it's not difficult, it's complicated. Yes. Складний в іншому розумінні цього слова. Yeah. Very good. So these are the natural sciences. Let me read them and you repeat them. Chemistry.
Chemistry.
Biology.
Biology.
Physics.
Physics.
Medicine.
Medicine.
Engineering.
Engineering.
And environmental science.
Environmental science.
Very good. The first tricky word was chemistry because usually CH stands for ch. So many students would read it in the wrong way. Chemistry.
Chemistry.
Chemistry, very good. If we come back here, what were the natural sciences?
Chemistry,
Excellent.
biology. That difficult
Yeah.
word.
Yes.
Environment.
Environmental. Yes, environmental. Environmental.
Whew. And chemistry, biology.
And everything about the pills, the drugs.
Medicine.
Yes, the mask that we're wearing. Very good. So now we have finalized. What are the three?
Social, formal, natural.
Well done. Yes, let's have a look at the pictures and guess.
Okay, it's medicine.
Well done. What could that be?
What could that be?
The study about our body, about the plants.
Biology?
Biology, yes, very good.
Chemistry?
Chemistry.
That's the...
It could be environmental.
Environmental. Environmental. Yes?
Environmental, yes.
Science, okay.
Yes, environmental sciences. It could be medicine
It
as
can
well,
be,
yeah,
yes.
or environmental studies, yeah, or biology. Yes, well done. So what are the three now from the pictures?
Okay, social, formal, and natural.
Well done, well
Yeah.
done. I like revising. The more you repeat, the better you
Yes,
remember that.
Yes, yes.
Right. Let's have a look at the objects and try to guess which type of science they belong to. Right. When you look at it, what's the first thing that you pay attention to?
To the patch.
Ah, yes.
Because I'm using it.
Yes, hydrogel eye patches.
Eye patches.
Where would they belong?
I think it's medicine, maybe.
Therefore,
So it
would
belongs
go
to natural?
Yes, of
Okay.
course, the study of nature, yes. Biology.
Okay, natural.
Very good. All right, very good. Think. I would like you to say it very correctly. Think.
Think.
Yes,
Okay.
well done. Well done.
Think.
Think. Think. Yes.
Think.
Very good. By the way, the good way to learn how to pronounce this, the most difficult sound for all non-speakers, is to have a mirror in front of you. Yes, and just practice. Don't be afraid of exaggerating it. Do it too much. Do it on your own in the room. You'll be fine.
Think.
Think. Very good. What's the next object?
That reminds me some magazine.
Yeah, the book.
Yes, the book. I think it's history, so
About society, culture.
it's the social science.
Yes. So this could be history and probably
Ology.
Very good. Archaeology. The next thing you see?
Money.
Money. Yes.
Money.
Money. Well, yeah, we actually have two objects that will belong to the same. Yes.
Economics.
Economics.
So it's formal, yes?
Formal, but this is about culture. This is how we make money, how we buy stuff, how the society, because this is what the society does.
Okay, so
no
this-
logics in money. There is
So
no logics.
social.
Yes, very good. Because the society deals with money. Without society, you know, there is no
Nothing.
economics. Very good, very good. What is the next object?
This beautiful man.
Yeah, the statue, yes, of the Persian king. Where would he belong?
It's history or archaeology, so
Yes.
it's social.
Social, very good. What do we have left?
Opti woman.
Yes,
Women.
yes, very good.
It's medicine,
Yes, where would it belong?
so it's natural. Natural? No?
But
medicine?
humans created.
Human created, so formal? No?
Try to think, I don't know.
Social? I think it can belong, it can be from all of these types.
Very good. But when we had a look with you at the presentation, the medicine and pharmaceutical were in the nature. You are right. Yes, you are right. Yeah, it was tricky. And finally, we have the last. What are those? You know how they're called?
Shell.
Shells. Yes, my lovely shells. I have a big collection at home.
Oh, really?
Yes. Do you love shells?
I like sea. I'm afraid of the deepness
Yes.
a bit, but I like the water a lot. So it's natural. It's the third type.
Very good. I like how you made the word, how you created the beautiful word deepness. Can I write it and
Okay.
analyze it for everyone? So we have the deep, yes, which is an adjective, deep. And you added very beautiful suffix, ness, deepness. So you turn the verb into the beautiful noun. Yes, deepness. What about the happy? Can we do the same with happy?
Happiness.
Yes, happiness. Yeah, or sad.
Sadness.
Yes, thank you very much. That was good. Deepness, very good. So, are you afraid of deepness?
A bit.
Good.
I like water a lot, but
Yeah.
when I don't feel the ground under my legs, I begin to start to afraid.
To be afraid.
To be afraid.
To be afraid. All right, good. Well done. I have a special task for you now.
Okay.
Let's check your memory, Martha. You have the 3 types, and you have all those sciences. Try to figure out where it belongs. If you're not sure about where it belongs, leave it.
Okay.
We will come back. It's always important when you have access and possibility to check whether you were right, please come back, do it. Check your memory. Yeah?
Okay.
Very good.
I'm interested in.
Yes. So these are the 3 types, and
Okay.
these are all your sciences. Can you group them, please?
Okay. Social, formal, and natural. Okay. Government. Мамочки.
Government.
Government. Government.
Government.
Government. Government. Formal? No. If I'm not sure, I will not sure about everything.
Yeah, what is government?
Government. Politics. So it's,
Yeah,
so it's
yeah.
formal. No, social.
Very good.
Economics.
Economics. Yes.
Social as well.
Economics, very good.
Economics. Economics.
Yes, economics.
Communication. As far as I remember, it's also social.
Yeah, it's about society. Yes,
Whew.
communication.
Chemistry. Okay, chemistry.
Chemistry.
Formal. No, natural.
Yes, it studies the nature. Yes.
Okay, my favorite. Environmental science.
Yes,
It's
environmental
natural.
science, for sure, yes.
Mathematics. It's natural.
Mathematics,
formal.
logics, yes.
Formal. Okay, that is
Statistics.
formal.
Yes, because this is about logics.
Information theory. I don't remember.
Information theory is, of
formal.
course, yes.
Okay. Linguistics. It's.
The signs. Yeah. You are
Yeah,
right.
so,
No,
yeah, okay.
formal, yes.
Medicine. Natural.
Good.
Law. Social.
Very good.
Business administration. Social. Yes. Education. Social.
Very good.
Physics.
Physics. Mathematics.
natural.
Mathematics, physics.
Formal.
Yeah, some
Okay.
of them could go both ways.
Science. It can be, yes, in both
Yes.
ways. Logic, it's formal. History, social, yeah?
Yes, for sure. Yeah.
Whew. Okay, biology, natural, yeah?
Yes.
Engineering. is
Engineering.
formal. Engineering.
Engineering.
Politics science is social.
Yes.
And psychology.
Psychology. Well done.
It's formal, yeah? No?
Psychology?
Psychology?
It's about the society, about how people think, how people act. People, the key word people.
Social.
Social,
Oh,
yes.
it's big list. And archaeology, it's also social.
Very good, because it studies the culture and history. So most of the sciences we have are social sciences.
Yes.
Marta, when I was listening to you, thinking whether this science belongs to the first, or the second, or third group, I saw you were hesitant about physics, for example.
Yeah.
Let me tell you that the sciences can be 2 types, pure and applied. When we say pure, this is all about the studies, all the labs and studies. When we say applied, this is something that is then implemented into life. Right? So the physics can study, yes, the physics can study the general, it can be the pure, the formal, yes, and it can be natural, and then it's applied
Okay.
science.
So
Very
I
good.
will put it like this.
Good,
Between.
good, right. So we have about 20 new words for you today.
Yes.
Good. And imagine students at year 11 at school, they have huge amount of information in all the subjects, and they have to categorize this, and they have to remember this, and they have to analyze this. Usually, I work with the mind maps. Do you know what mind maps are?
I can only guess what is that.
Right.
But you can tell me.
Good. Ментальні мапи or mind maps are very useful. It's a very useful technique that helps you to really focus on the keywords. Let's try to do it together. So what was the topic of today's lesson? One
It
word.
was, science.
Science. Right. Let's put it in the middle. Science. How many branches of science did we talk about?
3 types.
3. And then, in between those 3, we had various others. Please, let's create the mind map together.
Okay.
Let's see how much you remember.
Okay.
What would be the first one?
Social, formal, natural.
Right. And then I would like you to write down 3 sciences which belong to each group.
Okay.
Yes? Good. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes, let's do it. Now I will be your student.
Okay. I will try. So the first one was social.
Good.
Formal
Formal.
and natural.
Natural.
I like to write it.
Good.
Okay, so the first was archaeology. Господи.
Yes, archaeology.
Okay.
Oh, would you like me to spell it for you?
Archaeology.
A-R.
I will try.
Good.
R. K-E-O-L-O-G. Yeah?
Archaeology, yes.
Whew. Okay. The second one I remember, history.
Let's write the challenging one. Psychology.
To the first?
Yes,
Oh, okay.
psychology.
P.
Y.
Yes.
C-H, yes.
G.
Very good. Well done.
Woohoo.
Right.
Okay, formal. So, formal. Mathematics, yeah?
Mathematics. Good.
Так. Can you check me?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Mathematics, yeah?
Yes, very good. Well done. Mathematics. What
Okay.
about the
Logic.
logic?
Logic. And third,
When we collect data and we analyze it.
maybe
Statistics.
statistics.
Yes. Statistics.
T.
Yes.
T.
Yes.
S.
Very good.
So, first,
Eye patches. Where
Eye
do they
patches,
belong?
medicine.
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 Very
The
good.
second one, it can be physics, because I
Yes.
remember we moved
Yes.
it. Yes.
Very good. And the third
And
one?
the third one.
Make it the challenging one.
Oh
Environmental.
my God. Okay.
Environmental. I can help you with the spelling.
Okay, help me.
Yes. E-N
E.
and V-I-R-O-N. No, it's mental.
Mental,
Yeah.
yes.
Yes, environmental science.
Wait.
That is common mistake. Yes, right. Well done. Now that you have created this mind map yourself, how do you feel?
I think I feel a bit better than
Good.
in the beginning of the lesson.
Good.
Yes, it's easier. To be honest, it's easier.
To remember?
When
Good.
you write it by yourself and when you put it into the groups, it's easier.
Yeah, imagine it was a page of the full text of a lot of vocabulary. Then you get messy. But once it's grouped, you see the keywords, and then your visual memory works better.
Yes.
Good.
Thank you a lot.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Right. Right, not only did we learn a lot of new vocabulary, we had the challenging thing with spelling.
Yes.
Sometimes English is weird, you just have to remember. And the only way, the only secret is write the word many times. The 2 words you paid attention to were the government and
Environmental.
yes, very good. Let's write the word government. We have silent letter. Silent letter. Just remember, write the word and see that it's here. Yes, government. We don't pronounce it, but we always write it. Government. And what was the other word?
Environmental.
Very good.
Science. As well.
Environmental. We have another silent. Silent. What about the word psychology? How would you remember how to write it?
Now I remember it because I remember that the first letter was P.
P. First of all, you saw it.
Yeah.
Then,
Yeah.
when you came to the board, you wrote it. So see it, write it, and come back to it later. Very good. Yes. So how do we do it?
S.
Yes.
H. No H.
Yes.
Okay.
Psychology. Yes, psychology. Yes, psychology.
Psychology. Okay.
Psychology. Well done. Well done. And of course, today, I'm sure you have mastered the sound the.
Think.
I think.
I think.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Marta.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for today's lesson. I hope no one will find it challenging. Science is fun, isn't it?
A lot. A lot, really. Thank you a lot. Thank you a lot.
Thank you very
Thank
much. I would be happy to see you at the next lesson.
Hope so.
Good. Thank you, everyone. Please remember that it's easy to arrange your vocabulary in the mind map. I'm sure Marta will do the mind maps of her key vocabulary.
For sure.
Yes.
Thank you a lot for this.
Good.
For this.
Yes. And remember, science can be fun. Watch our next lessons to learn more about science and technologies. Goodbye.
Я дуже хвилювалась, тому що мені здається, що на сьогоднішній день 11-класники можуть знати набагато більше, ніж ті, хто трошки доросліший. Ось, але дуже було цікаво, тому що це була не просто англійська, але ще й такий пізнавальний урок про науки, про типи, про підтипи. І я досі сиджу, і мені хочеться все-таки їх догрупувати, тому що з приводу деяких моментів у мене були особисті запитання і особисті такі внутрішні суперечки, все-таки, куди б я віднесла те чи інше.